Hi, welcome back. Let me ask you something. Have you ever quietly wondered, will my pension really be enough? Because if you have, you're definitely not alone. And here's the truth, more and more people over the age of 55 are starting to realise that relying on just one source of income in retirement can feel, well, just a little risky. But the good news, there's now a way to build reliable income from home, even if you're starting from scratch. Hi, I'm Paul, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to build reliable online income streams that can give you more security, more flexibility, and honestly, a lot more peace of mind in retirement. And don't worry, this is going to be really simple, beginner friendly, and very, very doable. But before we dive into the how, let's quickly talk about what we mean by reliable income. Because this isn't about chasing quick wins or gambling on risky ideas. A reliable income stream should bring in money consistently, grow over time, require less effort once it's set up, and most importantly, be something you control. This is about building something steady, something you can actually depend on. So let's start with one of the easiest ways to begin, and that's affiliate marketing. Now, don't let the name put you off, it's actually very, very simple. You recommend a product or service, you share a link, and if someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. That's it. You don't need to create anything, no stock, no packaging, no customer service. And for example, many people start by promoting beginner friendly platforms like The Modern Wealthy, which helps you learn online skills and build income step by step. And it's a great starting point, especially if you're thinking, I don't even know what I'd like to sell yet. Now, once you get a bit more confidence, you can move into creating your own simple digital products. And here's the thing, you already have something valuable, and that's your life experience. That could be turned into maybe a simple ebook, a checklist, a guide, or even a mini course. And the beauty of this is you create it once and you can sell it over and over again. And that's where income starts to feel a bit more, well, a bit more automatic. Another powerful way to build reliable income is through content, and this could be a blog or even just written posts online. You create helpful content around things people are already searching for, and over time, that content can bring in traffic, generate affiliate sales, and even earn ad revenue. Now, I'm going to be honest, one post it's not going to change your life. But when you get 20, 30, maybe 50 pieces of content online, that's where things start to build momentum. And that's when it starts to get exciting. And then, of course, you've got YouTube. YouTube itself is a brilliant income stream. Simple videos like how I started earning online after 60, ways to supplement your pension, a beginner's guide to making money online, etc. These can continue bringing in views and income for years and years, and you do the work once and it just keeps working for you. Now, here's something a lot of people overlook. You don't need to start from scratch. You can simply repackage skills you already have. That might be coaching, for example, helping others, sharing knowledge, or even learning a simple new digital skill. And again, this is where structured platforms like the Modern Wealthy can really help because they guide you step by step from I don't know where to start to actually building something real. Well, let's be honest for a moment. This isn't all just about the money, it's about how you feel. Because when you know you can generate income, something really changes. That worry about running out of money, it just starts to ease. That feeling of being restricted, it just starts to disappear. And instead, you start to feel more in control of your future and a lot more confident. Now, just a quick reality check. This doesn't happen overnight. It's not a quick win. Some people see small results within weeks, but for most people, it takes around 3 to 6 months to start building something consistent. And the key isn't speed, it's consistency because we're building a real business here. Like I said, it's not about just the quick win for a bit of quick cash. We want to build consistency so we keep getting reliable income over time. And if you're thinking, okay, that sounds great, but where do I actually begin? Well, my advice is to keep it simple. Choose one path, learn the basics, take small daily action, and just don't overcomplicate it. And most importantly, just start because doing nothing is the only thing that guarantees no results. Now, if this has got you thinking a little differently about your retirement, then that's a great place to start. If you'd like to learn the exact steps to build your first income online, I'll leave a link below to a beginner-friendly platform called Modern Wealthy. It's where I started, it's what I still use, it's where I hang out. It's designed for people just getting started, and it walks you through everything step by step. And at the very least, it'll give you a clear picture of what's possible. So if you found this helpful, give it a like, please, and consider subscribing if you want more simple, practical ways to build income in retirement. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much indeed.